English shorthand dictation 80 words per minute, May 1995 B. Start. Few people would open shops and take the risk of starting and running any form of business if they were not likely to make for themselves something more than mere wages for their labor, interest on their capital, on rent for their property. There is, of course, much to be said for the independence of owning and running on as own business, but that in itself would not compensate a man for the risk, worry, and trouble of getting a business started and keeping it on its feet. The fact is that over and above the return that the owner of a private business gets for the use of his property, his labor, and his capital, he expects to secure also a return which is termed pure profit for bearing the risk involved in the venture. This pure profit is that which remains after all other factors of production, including those that may be supplied by the owner of the business himself, have been rewarded. We can see the difference between pure profit and the other forms of reward if we consider a new business in which all the other factors come from outside sources. In such a case, the man rents the property, borrows all the capital he requires, and hires men to do the work. He himself organizes the business and undertakes all the risk. He agrees to pay the rent to see that the workers will receive their wages and that the lender of the capital will get the interest on his money. After paying all expenses, he gets for himself anything that remains, but the difference between his reward and the other rewards is that the latter are all fixed beforehand by contract. The only reward that is uncertain, that cannot be as certain until the business has run for some time, is the pure profit that is left to the man who carries the risk of success.